guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Now, one thing I like about shooting these riverside cooking videos is that it's a challenge for me, first and foremost. Like, in terms of cooking, I love cooking and it's pretty easy, but cooking on the wood fire, you realize it's not so easy because you have to be watching, like, well, you can't really watch the temperature because there's no high, low, or medium. So for me, it's, you know, it's just such an awesome experience in doing it out here, you know, being a part of nature and, you know, getting to spend some time with my girl who keeps butt blocking with her butt. But anyway, I'm just here pretty much waiting on this magical river to send down the next ingredient. I don't know what we're going to be doing today. It should be a dessert, hopefully, so let's see what the river has to offer. Alright, it's pretty much been a minute now. I still haven't seen anything down the river, but hopefully soon. Okay. Bread. We got bread, guys. We're going to probably make bread and butter. Let's see. Alright, so as I told you guys before, we're going to do something like some form of dessert. So I'm thinking that we can do maybe like a French toast. Now the funny thing about French toast is that it uses eggs. Now this for me is going to be my Rasta variation of French toast. Of course Rastas don't make this, but I like to say Rasta whenever I'm thinking about vegan because I'm from Jamaica, yeah? And those are probably the most predominant vegan people I know in our country. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a batter for it. I already have the batter pretty much pre-done. Instead of using eggs, we already did coconut cream with bananas. So pretty much the banana is like the substitute for the egg. It gives the batter this nice thickness. So I'm gonna add the spices to it, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do this. Hopefully it comes out good. Again, you know, I'm not so versed on cooking outdoors, but we're getting better every video we do it. Alright, so right here I got the blended coconut cream. It's coconut cream with bananas and a little bit of butter. Of course I don't got a blender down here, so like I had to do this at home first. So this is pretty much the batter for the French toast that you're gonna put it in. Cinnamon stick. Some fresh cinnamon. As everybody knows, like French toast is very cinnamony. That's why it's called a cinnamon French toast. So you can just add the cinnamon however you like it. If you don't want too much cinnamon, it's fine. Of course, me being a Jamaican, nutmeg is a big part of my thing, so. Of course I'm just going to stir this in and put this aside because I'm going to do some banana with this, of course. I'm doing some kind of like a banana flambe, which is pretty much just banana and rum and sugar to put on top. And yeah. And of course here I got my banana. Yo, this banana, Judah thought it was a plant. That's how big it is. Check it out. It's a really big one and it's kind of very bready. Just looking at it I can tell it's one of those bananas that didn't go through like fertilization or anything like that. It's a really beautiful banana. I'm gonna wash this cutting board off real quick. Of course, cooking out here, you're gonna always have the ashes just flying around. So I'm gonna cutting the bananas at like a nice thick slices. Maybe we use all of it, or maybe we eat some. Wow. It's so bready. It's like, yo, this is the real deal. I swear, babe, taste it.
Yeah.
What's the texture that you're getting compared to like the regular?
It's really actually bready.
It's
and
very
a light sweetness to it.
Oh my gosh, it's really good. Anyway guys, so now what I'm gonna go over to the pot, try to do some butter, together with some sugar, with some rum. I got some rum here. It's actually white rum mixed with brown rum because it's whatever. And we're gonna do this, alright?
Remember the ear from the vlog?
Oh god. Yo, this guy was watching the vlog and like he messaged me and he's like, yo, whenever you're coming here, let me know. I'll end up link up with him. Mad, you live on it?
Yeah man, right up there. One day video, my orange house. Somebody kind of people busy.
Yeah, we found it there.
Yeah, and
he was the guy that told us we spotted there. That this river is called the Burrel River.
Yeah.
You see me? Mad thing.
There's something for the fans them. There's something for the fans them.
yeah man, but there man, big up, you see. Andrew.
We're gonna add in some butter really quick. Ooh. Here you don't want to be stingy with the butter, baby. Some good old Jamaican brown sugar. I got the bananas, I'm gonna drop that in. Now because I'm adding in the rum, it can catch a fire. I kind of hope not, to be quite honest. One thing to know though, when you're adding in the rum, like don't add it in directly from the bottle. What some people do, they would light it pretty much, you know, to get it together. And that's why they call it a flambe, because there's a fire to it. But I don't want that right now. It's a quick way to flip your stuff. So I'm gonna leave it just like that. So as I'm saying, for those of you at home who want to do that whole flambe thing, you can do it. All you have to do, if you have like an open flame, you can just move the pan to the edge. And then what's gonna happen, the fire from the flame is gonna light the rum on fire and stuff. But as I said, I don't wanna do that right now. Now you don't want the bananas too long under because it's gonna get a little bit soft. Alright, so we got our bananas on the top. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna get ready to quickly dip the bread, because personally I don't like my bread too soft. Quickly dip it in the butter and then just drop it on the frying pan. So one quick dip. Shake any of the excess off. what you're gonna do, you're gonna get it really golden brown on each side. So give it a few minutes, then flip it, and then keep doing it until you know everything is perfectly done. Should have really brought my spatula, but I'll work with what I got. Nice golden color there. Got a lot of people out there that will complain, oh man, I forgot my spatula. I can't do it. Nah, we still doing the same way, man. Oh guys, I wish you guys could smell that cinnamon and that nutmeg. I just have to make sure that I do this because I don't have a spatula, so I want to make sure that it's up and off the pan. Boy, I wish you guys could smell this, I swear. Even though there's no egg in it, guys, it just feels really light and fluffy, just the same way. I'm just laying it out the classical French toast way. I got a few pumpkin seeds. I wish I had gotten to toast them. Just putting a few on there. And then remember that video, guys, when I had the pancakes and I didn't have any syrup on top? Well, I actually got some honey there, so I'm gonna use the honey. But first, let me just take these bananas out. I wish you guys could smell this. Yo, it smells so good. And then we got that organic honey. Those of you who watch my vlogs know that I sell honey. I produce it from scratch, so just gonna get in this angle, baby. Just a little bit on that. Ooh. There we go. And we gooch, we're about to dig in. Look at that. Beautiful. 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 Alright guys, so pretty much this is gonna be where we're gonna eat this, and I'll tell you how it is. Yo, remember guys, give this video some likes. If you enjoy this video and you want to see more, then I'll definitely do more for you guys, because this is pretty tough right now. Judah's like a mad super lazy bones, like I swear to God, it's pretty hard, like having to get her to video all of this and then to cook this and all that. Yo, it's not easy, but we out here doing it for you guys. And yeah, about to get into this and enjoy, so I'll let you guys know what it is like.
This is pretty bomb.
Hmm?
This is pretty bomb.
Yo, it's lit. Guys, this is lit. I hope you guys try this at home. You guys can do your own little variation to it. Oh boy, this is really good. What?
What's up?
Everything about it is perfect. Like I wasn't so sure that the banana is going to be like a great substitute for the egg, but boy, trust me, it was. Get a little bit of sunflower seeds on there for a little bit of extra crunch. Your boy did it again. Your boy did it again. This is worth doing. With the sunflower seeds on top, the honey, the rum, the bananas, the bread. There's a nice softness to it. A little bit cakey, but then the crust, how's that do? Look at her face. It's not good. It's not good. Alright guys, so we're not even 5 minutes in and we're pretty much done with this right now. So, of course, remember these 3 things, guys. Love, nature, adaptation, and if you love the videos and you give us enough likes and you share the video enough and we get enough views, I'll definitely keep doing videos like these. But remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link. I got my body wash in my bag. Yeah. Dude, that would be nasty. She don't want to be it. Come on, good. I just did a quick shower. That's where Judah at. Running from the water. You what? It's cold?
Steven,
yeah, boy! How is the water?
It's chill.
Stop trying to be sexy, girl. Get ugly. Yeah, buddy.
Can't get ugly, boo.
I hear it.
Pretty relaxing, guys.
Pretty
I'll be out soon, though.
I'm gonna show you guys something really cool. Like, right here, it seems as if this one rock is holding up this big rock. So here you got this big old rock here. And then when you come right here, you got that little rock. It's kind of crazy perspective. And people trying to swim. Think you're swimming.